Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain another operational module, problem management, which includes the overview, life cycle, states, and best practices. So let's start with overview. So in ServiceNow ITSM problem management, a problem refers to an underlying cause or root cause of one or more incidents. It represents a significant issue or recurring pattern that needs to be addressed to prevent further incidents from occurring. Problems in ServiceNow ITSMs are typically logged and managed separately from incident, allowing IT teams to focus on understanding the root cause and implementing permanent solutions. Each problem record in ServiceNow ITSM contains detailed information about the issue, including symptom, affected services, related incidents, and the current status of investigation and resolution efforts. Then manage issues. With ServiceNow ITSM, managing issues involve leveraging the problem management module to systematically handle identified problems. Upon logging a problem, detailed information including symptom, affected services, and potential impact is captured. Priority levels are assigned based on predefined criteria, guiding the problem's routing and allocation to appropriate teams for investigation and resolution. Through the integration of incident and problem management process, teams can ensure seamless communication and collaboration, facilitating timely resolution and minimizing service disruption. Identify root cause. ServiceNow ITSM platform provides robust capabilities for conducting root cause analysis to identify the underlying reasons for problems. Through the problem management module, IT team can utilize root cause analysis techniques such as five whys, fishbone diagrams, or fault tree analysis. ServiceNow collaborative features enable teams to engage with subject matter experts, share insights, and document finding throughout the investigation process. This ensures a transparent and collaborative approach to identifying and addressing root causes, ultimately enhancing service reliability and stability. Then resolution and prevention. In the in ServiceNow ITSM, resolution and prevention efforts are streamlined through the platform's problem management capabilities. One of the root cause is identified. IT teams can leverage ServiceNow workflow automation to implement and track the progress of solutions. ServiceNow knowledge management module enable teams to document resolution steps, capture lesson learned, and disseminate best practices across the organization. Furthermore, ServiceNow proactive monitoring and alerting capabilities facilitate the implementation of preventive measures to mitigate future occurrence of similar problems, ensuring continuous improvement and optimizing of IT services. Then life cycle. The life cycle of problem management includes problem detection, categorize and prioritize, investigate and diagnose, resolve and close. Problem detection. Problem detection in ServiceNow leverages a combination of monitoring tools, incident analysis, and proactive measures. Event management continuously monitors IT infrastructure and applications, identifying anomalous and potential issues that could escalate into significant problems. Incident management also plays a crucial role where recurring incidents are analyzed to detect pattern indicating underlying issues. Proactive problem detection involves analyzing trends and patterns from incident data, user feedback, and monitoring tools to identify potential problems before they cause significant disruptions. This comprehensive approach ensures early identification of issues, allowing for timely intervention and mitigation. Then categorize and prioritize. Once a problem is detected, it must be categorized and prioritized to ensure it received appropriate attention and resources. ServiceNow provides fields for categorizing problems into predefined categories and subcategories, aiding in systematic management. The impact and urgency of the problem are assessed to determine its priority. Impact refers to the extent of the problem's effect on business operations, while urgency denotes the time sensitivity of addressing the problem. By using the priority matrix that evaluates both impact and urgency, the correct priority level is assigned. This structured approach ensures that the most critical problems are addressed first, optimizing resource allocation and response times. Investigate and diagnose. The investigation and diagnosis phase involves identifying the root cause of the problem and understanding its full impact. ServiceNow facilitates root cause analysis through its platform, allowing for detailed examination of the problem origin. The knowledge management module provides access to the repository of known errors, workarounds, and solutions that can aid in diagnosing the problem. Problem tasks can be created and assigned to relevant teams or individuals to investigate specific aspects of the problem. This collaborative approach ensures that all potential causes are explored and documented, leading the comprehensive understanding of the problem and paving the way for effective resolution. And resolve and close. Resolving the problem involves developing the implementing a solution to address the root cause. If the resolution requires changes to the IT environments, these are coordinated through the change management process in ServiceNow, ensuring that changes are planned, tested, and approved before implementation. The known error database is updated with the problem resolution and any workaround, providing valuable information for future reference. Once the solution is implemented, it is tested to ensure the problem is resolved. The problem record is then updated with resolution details and closed. This structured resolution process ensures that problems are permanently resolved and that valuable knowledge is captured for future use. Next, states. There are different states like open, pending change, known error, closed, and resolved. Open. Problems are initially identified and recorded in the open state. This state indicates that the problem has been acknowledged and is awaiting further investigation and resolution. Then pending change. Some problem may require changes to the IT environment to fully resolved. In such cases, the problem may enter in a pending change state, indicating that a change request is pending approval or implementation to address the underlying issue. The known error. If the root cause of the problem is identified and a workaround or temporary solution is available, the problem may be classified as the known error. This state indicates that the problem is well understood and workaround is documented to minimize the impact on users while a permanent fix is implemented. Then closed. After a problem has been resolved and verified, it can be closed. Closing the problem record indicates that the problem has been successfully addressed and no further action is required. And resolved. Once the underlying issue causes the problem is addressed, the problem record transitions to resolve state. This indicates that the problem has been resolved and normal service operation has been restored. So the closed state come, you can say that after resolved. Throughout these states, ServiceNow provides visibility into the status of problems, facilitates collaboration among teams involved in resolution efforts, and ensuring that problems are effectively managed and documented. Then best practices. Effective problem detection and logging. Effective problem detection and logging in the ServiceNow involves utilizing various modules and features to identify issues early and record them accurately. Event management continuously monitors IT infrastructure and applications, providing real-time alerts and dashboard that highlight uh, anomalies before they escalate into major incidents. Incident management helps in detecting recurring incidents by linking multiple incidents to a single problem record, thereby identifying patterns indicative of underlying issues. Proactive problem management analyzes trends and patterns in the incident data and user feedback to preemptively identify potential problems. Once a problem is detected, it should be promptly logged into the problem management module with detailed description of symptom, impacted service, initial diagnostic information, and links to a related incident record. This comprehensive logging ensures that all pertinent information is available for subsequent analysis and resolution efforts, facilitating a structured and efficient problem management process. Then comprehensive root cause analysis. ServiceNow supports a thorough root cause analysis process through several integrated tools and features. Problem tasks can be assigned to relevant teams or individuals to ensure a collaborative investigation process. The known error database stores known error and their workarounds, which can be referenced to identify if the current problem has been occurred previously and what solutions are applied. Additionally, the knowledge management module provides the access to the repository of knowledge articles, past incident resolution, and problem solution, aiding in the diagnosing and resolving the problem. Employing structured methodologies like you can say that different utilizing different methodologies, we can minimize the impact of problem. Documenting RCA findings in the problem record ensures a clear understanding of underlying issues leading to effective and permanent solution. Then integration with incident and change management. Integration with incident and change management is in ServiceNow ensures a seamless and coordinated problem resolution process. Incident management allows for direct linking of incidents to problem records, providing a comprehensive view of problems, impact, and helping in the identification of recurring issues. Once a root cause is identified, a solution is proposed. Change management handles the implement of necessary changes. This includes creating change requests with detailed plans, conducting risk assessment, obtaining approvals, and implementing changes in the controlled manner. Post implementation reviews ensure that changes have effectively resolved the problem and have not introduced new issues. The integrated approach minimizes risk associated with the changes and ensure the problem resolutions are implemented smoothly and effectively. Then continuous improvement through major problem reviews. ServiceNow facilitates continuous improvement in the problem management through structured reviews and comprehensive documentation. After resolving a significant problem, a major problem review is conducted to evaluate the problem management process, the efficiency and effectiveness of resolution, and to identify any process gaps. ServiceNow robust reporting and analytics tools provide data and matrices to support this evaluation, highlighting trends and areas for improvement. Insights and lessons learned from these reviews are documented in the knowledge management system, updating knowledge articles and refining process and best practices. By conducting regular MPRs and leveraging analytics, organization can continuously enhance their problem management process, improve their knowledge base, and prevent future issues, thereby ensuring a proactive and resilient IT environment. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain the change management, which is also an operational module of ITSM. Thank you.